Class 11th Chemistry, we were discussing Unit 11, the p-block elements, and in this video we will discuss about occurrence, atomic and physical properties of group 14 elements. Group 14 elements, the carbon family. These are the elements present in this family: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. Symbols are C, Si, Ge, Sn, Pb, Fl. Atomic number: carbon 6, silicon 14, germanium 32, tin 50, lead 82, flerovium 114. Carbon and silicon, these are known metals. Germanium is metalloid and remaining members tin, lead and flerovium are metals. Occurrence of group 14 elements. Carbon is the 17th most abundant element by mass in the Earth's crust. It is widely distributed in nature in free as well as in the combined state. In elemental state, it is available as coal, graphite and diamond. However, in combined state, it is present as metal carbonates, hydrocarbons and carbon dioxide gas in air. Carbon dioxide in air is 0.03%. Carbon is the most versatile element in the world. It is an essential constituent of all living organisms. Naturally occurring carbon contains two stable isotopes, carbon 12 and carbon 13. Third isotope, carbon 14, is also present. It is a radioactive isotope, so it is unstable. And its half-life period is 5770 years and used for radiocarbon dating. Silicon is the second most abundant element on the Earth's crust and is present in nature in the form of silica and silicates. Silicon is a very important component of ceramics, glass and cement. Germanium exists only in traces. Tin occurs mainly as cassiterite, SnO2, and lead as galena, PbS. Flerovium is synthetically prepared radioactive element. Ultra pure form of germanium and silicon are used to make transistors and semiconductor devices. Now, atomic properties of group 14 elements. First of all, electronic configuration. The valency shell electronic configuration of these elements is ns2np2. You can see this is carbon. This is helium 2s2 2p2, silicon Ne3s2 3p2. In these two elements, the inner core is represented by noble gases helium and neon respectively. In case of germanium and tin Sn, inner core plus d electrons. Okay, this argon 3d10 and these are the outermost shell 4s2 4p2 and in this 5s2 5p2. In case of lead and Fl, the inner core contains this is xenon, then F electron and D electron. In the same way, in Fl this is radon, 5F, that is 14 electrons in 5F subshell and 10 electrons in 6D subshell, and this represents the outermost shell electronic configuration 7s2 7p2. Next, covalent radius. There is a considerable increase in covalent radius from carbon to silicon. Thereafter, from silicon to lead, a small increase in radius is observed. This is due to the presence of completely filled d and f orbitals in heavier members which offer the poor shielding effect. Okay, so effective nuclear charge is more. So the increase in size is less. Just see, silicon to germanium. Again, this is the increase in size is less compared to this one, from this to this. Ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpy of group 14 members is higher than the corresponding members of group 13. In general, the ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Small decrease in ionization enthalpy from silicon to germanium to tin and slight increase in first in ionization enthalpy from tin to lead is the consequence of poor shielding effect of intervening d and f orbitals and increase in size of the atom. Okay. Electronegativity. Due to small size, the elements of this group are slightly more electronegative than group 13 elements. The electronegativity values for elements from silicon to lead are almost the same. You can see from this table. Okay, this silicon to lead, no, almost same. But from carbon to silicon, this is decreases. Physical properties of group 14 elements. All group 14 members are solids. Carbon and silicon are non-metals. Germanium is a metalloid, whereas tin and lead are soft metals with low melting points. Melting points and boiling points of group 14 elements are much higher than those of corresponding elements of group 30. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel to get the next video of this chapter. In the next video, we'll discuss the chemical properties of group 14 elements.